Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here coming at you with another great video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the sun visor clip. We're going to go step by step on the details to help you out. And if you would, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. All right, let's get into it. Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again. And thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you haven't already, then go ahead and like and subscribe. I'd surely appreciate it. All right, well, that wraps up everything on this one. Bobby B out till next time.